So like sometimes I don't want to see his text. So I want to get something that I can use when I don't want to wear my Apple Watch. What the hell is that? Mario. Mario. Oh, shit. Both advanced wearables. Yep. Yeah, I pretty much read every single one of these last night. Yeah. And that's the thing, like, when I go to, like, meetings or let's say I have, like, something to attend to, I'm not wearing an Apple Watch, you know what I mean? It's very ghetto. So, like, I need something that I could wear on my other wrist or on my ring. That's actually the main reason of why I want to get something other than my Apple Watch.
Yo.
Wow.
Are you getting out of bed? What the heck, George?
Oh,
Why you gotta make it like that?
I'm talking about Dag.
Oh. What the hell, Doc?
What we like here, man. I don't like shit, to be honest.
If I'm being honest with you, I don't like anything.
Yeah.
What's good, Benj?
Yup.
How you doing, big guy?
Pause.
Oh, bro.
What?
Nah, that was pretty crazy.
That was crazy, bro. Yeah.
Oh my.
It's crazy. Can't be mad at us for that one.
Yeah, you're bugging, Frankie.
Late ass reaction and shit.
Yeah, Anthony, I can't.
Bro, there's nothing.
All the lights. Yo, guys, you guys keep saying
Hey.
nothing. As long as Noah's here, there's something.
Hey, don't let Frankie fool you, bro. He's the worst one.
I'll be over trading crowd all of a sudden.
I wonder if I can. Yeah, I definitely can.
What?
Trade crowd, part of the watch sale. But I remember when it did that whole Microsoft crash thing, we traded it a lot.
You still have like this is your last day. Like this is you still have a couple.
Yeah, I know for a fact Amazon Inspire or no go.
You said which Amazon and Spy?
Yeah, those two are a no go for me. I'm red on those for the year.
Yeah, mine's Spy and
Are you able to see on IB like you can on TOS?
Mm-hmm. You just have to pull up your like your yearly statement, and you just have to scroll and look through it.
All of the lights.
what do you mean 32 tomorrow, Alex? Oh, you're turning 32 tomorrow?
Alex. Alex.
Huh?
I'm not gonna lie, Cameron, I don't really like Google.
You're saying you turning 32, or you're saying I'm turning 32? Oh damn, you're December as well. I'm on the 4th. That's crazy, and I'm turning 32 also. Hey Jordan, I look younger than you though, bro. So relax.
Yeah, the only thing I saw setup rise was maybe Apple at 236, but it's freaking Apple.
All right, now
Uh,
you're starting to push it, bench.
yeah.
Let's relax, bro.
Yeah, I'm
Hmm.
gonna pass on Apple today.
Yo, someone on the stream said 32 Dan.
I tell him I'll fucking cross him up and dunk on him, even though I'm only 5'8". Yeah, 32 feeling. Nah, I wouldn't say 23. Let's relax at it. It's more like 27.
He still feels a little bit of the knee pain.
Nah.
What, at 27?
One's trying to hold up here. I guess that's what we got it open, right, Nor?
That's what I have. Yeah, the 315 calls is what I'm looking at.
Y'all looking at coin?
You laughing at me, huh?
Just the way Benji said it.
Come on,
Oh man. Sheet. Nah, Bitcoin is up nicely though. So we'll see.
Yo.
What?
Nah.
Oh. All of the lights. Damn, these contracts are still kind of expensive for Friday.
Friday?
Yeah, you're not wrong.
Yeah, that spread is kind of crazy, too.
There's one volume, brother. There you go, 50 volume.
Where'd y'all like this at? 314?
Probably. See if it happens. All of the lights.
Look at my message, Frank. Or Nor.
I've never.
On iMessage?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Relax. We got coin coming back, anyways.
Spreads are wide. Yes, they are. That's why I will be going in light. Light. They'll get tighter though. Pause.
That doesn't look bad, George.
Right? Maybe when it sets up.
Yeah.
Setting up. I've just never traded that before.
Damn, Amazon getting smoked here. So you do have some movements here.
They'll get tight whenever, yeah.
Yeah, I would just be really careful with the spread on coin.
Yeah, they're kind of ignorant. The 320s have like a way better spread.
They do, but 315s are catching up. Actually, you might be right. I probably should switch to the 320.
It's a 60 to 80 cent spread on the 315s. The 320s are staying around 20.
Yeah, you're right. I switched to the 320s. Just got an alert for something. Oh, Amazon's dropping. All right, entry for coin is at 314. Target is 316.50. Stop loss will be 313. So about $1 stop. Less than $1 actually. SMCI is just flat.
Yeah, what happened with that? I think had a crazy pre-market candle.
No, I had news. Hold up, let me see something. Yeah, Amazon's getting cooked. Just a free fall, and that sucked.
Huh?
Someone said Microsoft coming down fast. Does anybody have anything on Microsoft? No.
I feel like Apple's holding up pretty decent.
Yeah, I see it.
Where you like that at, Benj?
That pre-market high in the 236 for the scalp. Still pretty far. Like $1.
Hello.
All little lights, all little lights.
Just don't think I'm convinced that Apple's ahead of the market.
I'm not convinced on the contracts, bro. That's crazy.
What are they at? I mean, look, like 60 cent.
That's probably gonna where it's gonna be.
Yeah, I'd probably do the 235 if I traded that.
That's the 235.
Oh man.
Meta is gone.
I'm gonna pass on that. That's probably the best bet, Robbie. 230, 250s, if y'all are gonna take that. NK and at the 235s is crazy. They are cheap. still not in the clear though, Dak. Like right now, you got at the bottom of the zone, whatever that is. I'm not sure what that is. It still can bounce at that zone. It needs to hold below before we even start saying like, I know what that is. Or I mean, well now I know what it is. But regardless, you still got another piece of overextension that it can get to. So I mean, yeah, it is a little overextended, but it still has enough room where it can continue to go. So we'll see. You got the 2000 one to go to. Right now it's at the 1500. That's not a bad looking candle there on.
Which one's tighter now? The 320s or the 315? Nah, 320s.
Yeah.
They stay more consistent at least.
Sheesh. They're $1 now.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like you said, it's only a 10-cent spread though.
So it's 10%.
That was with Bitcoin making an inverse H.
You said what?
That was with Bitcoin making an inverse H.
Yeah, it's
I'll send a picture.
Bitcoin was moving though. We're at 99,000.
I was gonna.
You use TradingView?
For crypto, yeah.
Oh, okay.
If like with coin specifically, I use the Bitcoin chart on TradingView.
Yeah.
I just set up a different window, and if I look to trade coin that day, I just click on the Google window, and then I just have it popped up.
Yeah.
Only issue is I just can't mess with like my TOF screen, or else that overlaps it.
If you download the app, Frankie, you can like pen the trading view window on top.
Oh, okay.
Apple's moving, by the way. I'm not sure if that
Oh,
was...
it's getting close, Bench.
Yeah. I don't think I would take it on the first test. I might want to see if we can pull back up there closer to 80 cent.
Yo, the 320s have 10K in volume already. Wait, that just... Yo, the 320 calls just went from 700 in volume to 10K in volume, 11K in volume now. For coin.
Whoa, they did.
Yeah.
Yo, someone's loading up.
Yeah, someone just got in.
Oh, look, 2 orders there. 5 a pop at 72 cents.
Bossman, yeah, I think Bitcoin on TOS is really slow. It doesn't update as fast as the one on TradingView.
That's $285,000 each, by the way, guys. Wow.
Supermicro shares fall 7%.
That's wild, whoever's loading up right now. I'm going to probably ride that wave soon. If we get some aggressive moves here. Like I said, this is coin and it's Friday, so either way, I'm in this very lightly today if I play it. We need to stop taking random trades, bro. There's nothing there. Like, literally nothing. I'd rather you have taken, like, Apple or some shit like that. This guy. Cutoff time for us today, I think we should make it as early as possible. I would say 10:15 max today.
I was gonna get myself till 10:30.
Yeah.
So after that, nothing.
Tesla just ripped. Wow, that's hilarious.
George, you like Apple at all?
Yeah, it's
I've been looking at it more now since Benji's been talking about it.
it don't look bad, bro.
It doesn't. That flat top looks pretty nice.
The 15-minute is kind of all you got to worry about.
With
But
the
we
trend,
did-
the downtrend, right? Yeah. Sorry, Benj. Might have jinxed that one for you.
Oh god, I don't even know if I was convinced, bro. Like, look at the market. Market's moving like way ahead of Apple. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like earlier, Apple looked a little bit ahead, but now it's just like I don't know. I'm perfectly okay with just not taking anything today. I see how you guys talking about Tesla, but dude, Tesla's just in a choppy area. Like, I'm not really a fan.
New high there on Bitcoin.
Yeah, I don't know what they were doing with those contracts, to be honest.
It was same days?
Yes, bro. For 72 cents, they bought 315s. No, 320s they bought. rejection on SPY and QQQ. Some heavy ones. Tesla 340. I'm looking at it right now. Just need to see what the market does. Then you have coin ripping here. That's actually aggressive. Yo, coin above 311.
You got the 320 still, or did you swap to 315s?
I don't know. I was on Tesla. So now I got to switch over to coin again.
Seeing the pullback on the contracts with the 315s, I'm gonna have to go with the 320s.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay there.
Yeah, those spreads get up to 50 cents.
Okay.
The 320s, at least, I mean, yeah, they're cheap, but at least I'm not fighting a 50-cent spread.
You have your alert at?
Right now, I have it at 1350.
Coin acting all sorts of crazy.
See if it goes to 312. This is opening price here. Contracts over $1.
Yeah, 313.50 is the safest for me as far as like early entries. I think Frankie's already in, no?
I actually just bought a light position just now at the hive day right here. So
Yeah, whoever bought those contracts at 70, he's up 100%.
Whoa, that's moving crazy, bro.
yeah, this is with Bitcoin is starting to make some moves up, but Coin was doing this all before Bitcoin was doing anything.
Yeah.
So
I have alerts set at 313.54. It is a little early, so if you want to do like a half there and then a half at 314, you could also do stuff like that.
I mean, just to give you guys an idea, I mean, like I said, I'm sizing late. It's a Friday, it's a half day, and it's a coin. I'm just in with 5 contracts. It's not a crazy position size or anything.
Yeah. Tesla with a fake out. Happy I'm not looking at that. Oh, you already got out?
Yeah, I hit 312 on the bid.
Mm.
That was my stop loss.
Oh, because you got in at 312, like 90 or something like that, right? 80.
Yeah. So lost like 20 cents per contract.
Nice.
So
These contracts move crazy. Spy is being aggressive. I see it. EQ is way ahead, though. Tesla's behind. Oh, Meta finally broke out.
say rest in peace anybody who's trying Tesla right now after that move.
Yeah, that's like 5 fake outs.
George, that idea you have is close.
I don't know if I want to take that today.
I was just letting you know.
Appreciate you. Appreciate it.
Coin with an overlapping candle here. See if that even holds, but. Oh, wow, that bid just pushed. Now the ask needs to move a little bit higher. All right, so the target here, the entry here, guys, is 313.50. And then stop loss will be 312.60. So about a 90-cent stop and then a $1.50 target. Actually, more than that, almost $3 target. We're looking at the 320 calls on coin, going light. Target is 316.
Nvidia went crazy.
Here comes coin, guys.
Spread on the 315s is better.
Yeah, but it fluctuates too much.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in. It already broke 314 or is about to.
I'm gonna have a super tight stop. So
Same.
I got filled at 130 myself. For me personally, my stop loss is gonna be if these contracts hit $1 flat. So. Nasty week on coin, and that's with Bitcoin still pushing. Bitcoin hasn't done anything weird yet.
Yeah.
So this is just all coin right now.
Any lower, I'm gonna get out. You just have to remember how the stock moves. That's why it's annoying. All right, that's fair. 312 is my stop now. I'm green, obviously. I just added. Don't mess up your average. It's already hard enough to be in this trade, so imagine adding. 314.30.
So just a reminder, guys. It's Friday, half day. Just take it chill. This shouldn't be the trade that you have the best trade in the entire week on.
Yeah. Say like you get those pullbacks. That guy that bought the 10,000 contracts there is so lucky, bro. It's actually crazy. All right, giving it a sec here, and then I'm going to pull the trigger on the sell. I'll let you guys know exactly when I press it. Still looking okay here. 314.30 needs to break, and then you could look to start selling half. That's what I'm going to start doing. Wow. Wow, wow.
There it goes. I sold right there.
Oh my God, bro. Guys. That's a movie right there. Whoa. Sold half. Yo, that was crazy. Getting ready to sell the rest here. Obviously, don't get fucking greedy. Bitcoin almost touched 100. 99,690. I still have room to 316.50. I'm not gonna hold that long though. I am getting ready to sell. Just pulled back. At least I sold half though, because now I'm very much comfortable here for another leg up or leg down here. I'll be ready to sell. The bid's holding 315 surprisingly. You don't normally see that on this stock, so that's a positive. Nice. New high, guys. I'm getting ready to sell. Break. 4 cents. I'm out. Sold. And that's how you do it, buddy. Thanks for paying me, coin. Yo, Dak, you know how fucking annoying your charts were this morning? Just didn't want to say anything until I took the trade, but you're welcome if you took it. Dak, look at the downside, bro. Look at the downside. Guys, look at the downside. Like, bro, shut the fuck up, Dak.
Crazy because that's how he actually sounds too.
Or send your ass back to India.
I thought I was the only one that was getting annoyed by that.
It's like, bro, I know.
actually said something to him.
God damn.
No, Doc's never coming on the mic again.
I like when people say something and have an explanation. So Dak did a very good job the first time. Then there was the 9 times after that where I started getting pissed off. This guy.
Yeah, and that's when like one thing is like having different bias is cool and with an explanation, but like to make it seem like you're the only one that's correct there, that's when it's annoying.
Yeah, I should have bought more contracts. I was just being a little wuss. But I got a limit fill, so basically I got the minimum basically. I could have probably got 2, closer to 2. I don't know what peak was, but I did limit on both of those. I don't even know why I waited for that last one. Pablo,
2, bro.
you like that trade, buddy? On a fucking Friday? Wait, who caught that shit? Oh shit, so we did have some catchers here. Let me get some
Lots of
W's in the
Ws.
chat for the stream. I left the stream on live today. W's in the chat, W's in the chat. For a coin trade, that was pretty easy.
I'll say I was chill for the entire time.
W's in the
think
chat,
I-
babies.
I think because contracts were so cheap.
W's, W's, W's. What is it, Black Friday? Is that what it's called? Black Friday?
Today? Yeah.
Damn, I sold as soon as it broke 316. Nice.
Bitcoin's going for it.
For-
shit, yeah. That's actually gonna make a big move on coin.
Breaks or not?
Wait, whoa. I thought my P&L was 11 flat, no? Oh, it's 11-1. All right. I thought it changed. I'm like, am I still in this shit? Ah, shit. Target officially hit. To be honest with you, I don't think there was a better trade today.
I don't think there were any other trades today.
Nah, there could have been. I don't think it was a better looking trade. It would have been possible. I just didn't stay on it. It was meta. That was the only one that I see as an actual trade. You could look in the video and be like, yo, that shit is crazy. Nah, there was nothing there, though. Nice, Lewis. But I don't see anything that could have been taken. I only made 11,000 today, but it is what it is, man.
Only.
I don't think I could go shopping today for Black Friday. Look at my P&L, buddy. Don't fuck with me. Bro, I don't know what P&L you just screenshotted from on Reddit, but...
That is the blurriest screenshot ever.
I don't know where you got that from.
Like if I like look at Nor screenshot compared to that,
Oh,
yours
it
just
is my
looks-
screenshot.
Yeah.
You know, PC screenshots are just honestly terrible. But on the Mac, when I post on Instagram, I have to screenshot from the Mac, or the PC is just too blurry. Did anybody add to the trade?
I assume George did with you.
No.
No, I don't think so.
That's surprising.
I added, then added again. Yo, that's kind of crazy, though, no? This fucking QQQ is ripping. I actually thought about taking this. I was just a little worried about how weak SPY looked against it, but it's all right. This is the QQQ chart I'll show you guys on the 1 hour. All right. Q&A. I'll answer a few questions here, and then we're all gonna leave. I'm so hungover right now from lemonades and apple cider. When do you decide? When do you decide to size down on certain trades? Trades like this. One, a stock that I'm not too comfortable with, a stock that has extreme volatility. Because let's say I go in with 20K on Tesla and I'm getting 10%. I could get 20% on coin at any given moment. So I don't need to go in with 20K. I can go in with 10 and get the same exact dollar return I would get on Tesla. Just a different percentage. Plus it's Friday. As the week goes on, you're supposed to go later anyways. And the stream was live today, I forgot. That's nice. They got blessed. I use all of those DAC. There's just too many charts for me to show you, brother. You only get to see my vertical monitors. Why'd you move the stop loss from the initial one? It was really where the ask was. I need to see where the ask is because the spread is so wide. So it's not about moving it. It's just not reacting immediately to that stop. Because the ask was like 312.40 or something like that. 47. And my stop was supposed to be 312.50. What levels were you looking at? I was looking at the 314 level into 316.40. So we got pretty damn close to the 316.40. At 138, what stock, Jin? Coin was a move. Any reason why Nvidia didn't get any love today? Went 100% after 137 break. I don't know. I saw a few guys trade some random shit today, like SMCI and stuff like that. It works out like 4 out of 10 times, but the other times you're just not even gonna know where to hit your stop. There's nothing on Nvidia. There was nothing on SMCI. There was nothing on Tesla. There was nothing on Apple. If you took any of those trades today, it explains why you are still a beginner and why you're in this Discord. You're still new. You have no idea what you're doing. BTC, Bitcoin's over 100. But if like it just doesn't make any sense. Like even trading Meta, and I thought that was a good trade, possibly that I could take on Coin or besides Coin, still wasn't enough there. Made 50% on Tesla. Yeah, I mean, anybody can close their eyes and buy any stock, puts or calls, and they can make money. You know what I mean? So don't let, a 50% return on Tesla, excite you. Just know that there was nothing there, and basically you played, the fortune teller on that one. You're just building bad habits that's going to fuck you in the long term. Let me get on Mike's serious question, type it out then. You see how you're pretty much very precise with the target exits like 360, but it hit 360. How do you determine that to the sense? Just, bro, that just takes time, dinero. And when I say 316.40 is the target, that's why I'm always out beforehand, because it can miss by like 10 cents or 20 cents. Same thing with Maki. Maki might get out on SPY before a target hits, depending on how it's moving. Like, look at Tesla right now versus the market. Nice, Karthik. But we need to stop these fucking bad habits, because it's just gonna lead you guys into a hole one day, and then you're gonna be like, fuck. Tesla was a good setup? In what way, brother? Where was Tesla a good setup? Show me. And then we'll all agree or disagree. Not that that matters, but broke pre-market high. How many stocks today broke pre-market high? Let me give you like a rough number. Probably 200 stocks. What else did it do? How many stocks broke pre-market high? At least 200. Moody said, yeah, okay, your point. My point is, I don't even know if I should be explaining this to you, because you sound like you're just closed-minded. But the point is, you suck at trading. I'm going to make it as clear as possible. The second point is, if a stock is doing exactly what the other 200 stocks are doing, it doesn't make it special in any way. So that's my point. You're breaking a pre-market high that you get every single day anyways. We do pre-market highs every single day. So what makes that trade even acceptable to trade? I don't understand where the confusion is. Yo, guys, you don't have to listen. I'm trying to explain things so you guys maybe one day can fucking do some big numbers. You know what I mean? I'm on your side. If I wasn't on your side, I would have owned a prop firm 5-6 years ago and would have made probably $50 to $100 million off of you guys. Except I haven't. So obviously, I'm trying to make you guys better. I would have cooked you guys with some prop firms. Except the only collab I've ever done was with Mumu, which is publicly traded. So sit down and listen. You know, when I'm in a room with people who are bigger than me, I sit down and listen. If they're better than me at something, I sit there and listen. If they make more money than me, I sit there and listen. It's not me trying to make you feel bad. It's life. You know what I mean? I'm trying to explain to you so you can make some good money one day. Frankie didn't end up being, you know, this without listening. Now he can do whatever the fuck he wants. If he wants to trade a random stock like a firm, he can trade a random stock like a firm. Frankie damn near makes how much I make every day nowadays. I can fucking sit down and relax. You want to be like Frankie at least? Then you're going to have to listen. Frankie, would you have taken Tesla?
Nope.
Be honest. No bias.
I had nothing, bro. I told you I had nothing today.
All right.
The only stock I had was whatever you had on Coin. I just followed you on that one, listening and just seeing what you were thinking.
You didn't even really like Coin.
I didn't, no. But I still took it because I was like, it's a good screen time, and I could see what he's looking at.
All right. I was just asking. George, you here?
George is gone.
Yeah, he's definitely gone. I didn't necessarily like Meta, like it. I like the setup that I can get. I've seen this many times before. This isn't like a beginner setup. And it was holding up against the market and then finally broke. But there was not much other confirmations after that I can kind of convince myself to stay on that rather than Coin, even though Meta contracts are technically better. There was nothing on Tesla. Just because you see a trend, a wedge, that means nothing. Those always have fake breakouts. You want trends, wedges, downtrends, uptrends, all those things to lead into a key level and play it off the key level. There was no key level.
So what Nour is telling you guys is what I repeated on the lesson on Sunday when I gave you guys a rundown of what my strategy consists of. What did I tell you guys about what setups what are A+ setups to me? Trend line breaks into key levels, consolidation breaks into key levels. Literally everything was what Nour is saying is everything that I do. So there's a reason why I listen to him and why it works for me too.
And look at Tesla now, key level broken at 340, a quick move to 341.50.
Correct, De Niro.
Dak said, only reason I don't follow your signals is because I want to follow your entries, exits to the T, but I just can't since you say your styles for the beginning. Yeah, exactly. There's nothing wrong with that. That is perfectly fine. 100%. How often do lessons happen? We do it every single day for free ski at 8 p.m. Eastern time, except Fridays. Saturdays, we do what, 2 p.m.? That's charting.
Yeah, I do 2 p.m. Yeah.
Charting on 2 p.m. and then back to it Sunday. So the only day you don't get a lesson is Fridays. Look at Tesla. Key level broken, market's pulling back, and Tesla's still holding up here. That's a good trade right there. Anything taken prior to that, which was 3 minutes ago, was a bad trade. And coin is crashing. Sheesh. Yo, this moody guy is funny. Whatever bad trade, good trade you want to take, got nothing to do with me. My job is to sit here and trade. And provide education. Other than that, I cannot control your hands on whether they press that buy or sell button. Yeah, usually the waves, well, all the waves start on the East Coast, Moody, and then they push to the West Coast. West Coast is just always late. Yeah, I mean, no one out there is... Never mind. But where are you exactly? What state? Las Vegas? Las Vegas. What's LV? Las Vegas. Yeah, I didn't know that was a state either. Look at Tesla. If I didn't have to sit here and explain to you fucking herbs why that was a bad trade, I would have caught that myself. What are you doing this weekend to get ahead of everyone? I just do Nour. That's how I stay ahead every weekend. I just do me, man. I'm always ahead. There's not a time where someone else is ahead. I got PJs on right now. I gotta decide which car I want to take out to drive today. That's like Andrew Tate, just every day. How was the turkey drive? It was sick. What is the last loss you took that actually bothered you mentally and emotionally? Probably like 2 weeks ago. I just don't remember which specific trade. I do remember a trade bothering me. Oh, I think it was a coin trade. Yeah, it was a coin trade. Shit fucking... And actually, that might have been a couple days ago. Was that Wednesday? What was the day I made 20K on Tesla in like a minute? Look at Keith.
I think that was Wednesday.
Yeah, then it was Wednesday. Keith, that's what I like to fucking see, buddy. Keith Nicolini. Yeah, it was green then red, yeah. Yo, market's been dropping and Tesla's just been moving higher. That's nasty. Damn, I can't see shit from this far, bro. I don't want to move closer. What time is it? 10. Alright, I got time. Do you use supply and demand or support and resistance as your key levels? That's you look for breakouts. Because my problem is that I'll mark those as levels and sometimes I get faked out. Yes, I need multiple factors of confirmation. I didn't go heavier, Alex. Yes. You said trend is considered as a touch 3 points. Do you consider this with the trends drawn by the algo? Yes. No matter what trend it is, it has to be 3. We still have the same 50 people in lessons out of 500. That'd be on at 9:30. Yup. All jokes aside, I saw Tesla hold 334 off opening candle, which happened to be Wednesday's previous high. We had 338 consolidation. Keep running Tesla 2. Some was $1 or $2 with ease. Is that still a bad trade? Yes. Let's have a fire December. Sirski. What's a good percentage I should be trading with? It depends on what your stop losses look like, to be honest with you. The max that you should be using in your account is 40%. That's because people have small accounts. Because a 10% stop on that is a 4% stop loss on your total account. And that's a lot, but... You think Ferraris are on sale today for Black Friday? It's the only thing I think about buying today. I mean, if it had 2 points, then it wasn't valid. It wasn't a trend. The only way to make a trend is 3 points. Think about it like this. With 2 points, you can have something at the very top and the very bottom. You can connect any 2 points no matter where they're at in life. You know what I mean? They could be all the way at the high, all the way at the low. You could connect 2 points. You cannot connect 3 points if they do not align correctly. You can connect any 2 points. You can draw a dot all the way over here and a dot all the way over here, and you can connect with 2 points. How much money have you spent in a Miri? I stopped wearing a Miri a couple of years ago. But definitely 6 figures. To the point where I was actually the only person with custom Amiri jeans. My name is on it. I had Python leather, and then my buttons on there were actual 18 karat gold, which was sick. Vegas gave it to me. Vegas Amiri. Nah, I actually gave it to my brother. He's very skinny, so they're not actual tight jeans on him. I do not wear Montclair. It's kind of ghetto. Unless I'm going to go snowboarding or act like I'm going to go snowboarding, I'll maybe buy Montclair. What do you get instead of Montclair? Canada Goose. Respectable. Yo, coin got cooked. I'll leave in like 10. I don't signal those because we have Maki for that. I don't sports bet anymore. Last time I did sports betting was like actually did it was like a couple of years ago. I was probably betting around like 100 to 200K a day. I was using a private bookie in LA. Yeah, it was pretty wild. Yeah, super green. Like betting in total, like not just sports picking, probably around 2 million, 2.5 million. Around there. I can think of 3 occasions where I've made 400K on Baccarat. So that's like 1.2 right there. Yeah, I would say around 2 million. I would stay away from it though. I always thought about that. Imagine. I actually got a call from AC while I was in Dubai. I guess Hard Rock just finally collabed with the Hard Rock in Florida. So like now you can use your black card there. So they want to send me a PJ to go to the one in AC. So I might do that soon for fun. Your play on Spy wasn't good this time around? What do you mean? I answered that already, FD. I said I leave those up to Maki. I don't signal those.
What is the date today? I completely, and
Thursday. Yeah.
Thursday,
The 20th.
I was completely wrong, wasn't I? I had the dates wrong all this time. Did he come on out? He's...
Do I ever get tired? Nah. The 7 days I was in Dubai, actually more than that, but the days that I were in Dubai, I only slept for 1 day at night. And that was only like 4 hours. Other than that, I just stayed up the whole trip. And took 1 nap for 4 hours. State you visit. State? Favorite state? Damn, I don't know. Probably like that. I'm from New York, so New York doesn't count. So I got to see that for the past 24 years. So, nah, I wouldn't. You think Chicago is the best state? I would say New York, then Florida, then Cali. Nah, I don't know. business wise, New York, Cali. New York and Cali. But like actually like I don't know. It's a hard question. Nah, the West is definitely not better than the East. Fuck no. Alabama. I don't even consider that part of the East. I just pretend that shit isn't there. Yeah, I'm definitely done after that coin trade today. Got it, Dimitri.